want to see one land. I just want to run the landing. Huh? I want to land it.
Yeah. You're laying right over there by the airport.
No, no, not. Some is, but one ain't.
They're all gonna go over there by the airport.
Oh!
Yep.
I want them to land right here.
They won't land over here.
Why?
Because they have to be able to get back.
Back where?
They have to land at the airport so they can get back.
Get back where? Airport?
To the airport. Yeah.
To the airport. We won't be able to see.
Just be quiet.
I want to see. The balloon land. Something hot. So it wants wet. Dad, we didn't have any shoes on.
Mm-hmm.
So look at our shoes. Up and down.
Yeah?
One and two.
Yeah.
Ray and Matt have been performing. You think about the things you've seen this afternoon. Round wing airplane will do a better job inverted. It flies as well upside down as it does right side up. The flat wing airplane. Very large, extended smoke on. Unfortunately, it's gotten a little cloudy and more difficult to see the air show smoke, but perfectly matched, side by side, throttles forward, pulling up into a side-by-side loop, ladies and gentlemen, a big old country loop, but two of them at the same time. Perfectly matched. Notice they stay relative to each other very, very well throughout that whole maneuver. Now, once again, as high as the airplane will go, side to side, rotation at the same time, and back they come, down on a line, picking up again. Rotate down, down on 45, and in fact, Ray Spicer in the flat wing does roll inverted. Matt Chapman in the round wing rolls up. Ray rolls upright. Matt stays inverted. And now again, a side-to-side turnaround. But there's something a little different. One's upside down while the other one's right side up. In a loop, one doing an inside. Matt rolls upside down, and Ray does it. Okay, at least kind of the end of the box. Formation, barrel roll, ladies and gentlemen. Coming back down off the backside of the barrel roll.
Leave me alone.
At center field, near side four-hander for no run.
Come on down this side.
First horn sounding going into 32nd overtime. Academy zone ball rolling right near the mouth of the goal. Beautifully saved by Fred Fortuno for Lanto. Richie Jones coming up with that backhand play. It's blocked and stopped by Dixon Stroud. And players don't cross that line of play. And that's why Fred Fortuno was able to get a drive downfield for Lanto. Play picked up by no run. Blocked and stopped now by Lanto.
Is that near me? I don't know.
Play for Lanto coming up with a short lofted drive. Picked off by no run. Half play out front. Headwise, well, it was Walter Burgess coming up with a short backhander for Landhope. Play regained by Brian Pritchard for no run. They're saying, I've got it, and Dixon Stroud sure has it. He's working a bouncy ball. Can't quite handle it as a lot of the players override.
There's somebody we got it.
Over and over.
Play picked up by Ed Weissman. Dixon Stroud and Brian Pritchard both trying to get to it. A backhander deflected off the pony. Nice pass play by Fred Fortuno up to Dixon Stroud, 60 yards out. And coming up with a scooter that goes about 40 yards out. And now we have Ed Whiteman moving that ball down inside the 30. Walter Burgess moving it down 25 yards out. Dixon Stroud getting it even closer. But now there's no run. Brian Pritchard coming through, intercepting. Play stopped by Fred Fortuno. 30 yards down, takes a beautiful drive. Ball deflected off the horse, and it looks like a penalty has been called against no run. The number 2 calls on penalty. Stroud takes a shot, and he wants to get his troops organized. He's going to dribble that ball, trying to straighten it out. Leaves it way out, couldn't quite handle it, but he's got Andy Zilbert right behind him. All 60 yards out, near side four-hander, beautifully done by Richie Jones. That play up to Sun Plains number 1, Timmy Jones. God.
Maybe he's going to take it back or something.
Right Fortuno, his mallet being hooked by the mallet
Oh, what did he do, change sides?
Brian Pritchard.
Oh, maybe that's what it is. If you score, maybe you
Taken
change.
out by Ed Wiseman. He passed up to Dixon Stroud. Ed Wiseman overriding, and play intercepted by Timmy Jones for no run. But we now have Fred Fortuno on the play, passed up to Dixon Stroud. Waiting for it, finally cleared out by Land Hope. Is Fred Fortuno now coming up with a beautiful shot downfield. He back in there, finally a clearing shot. Down the field, but it's clearing shot. Land Hope brings the ball to play from the end.
That's an idea.
Overrides it. Richie Jones has takes an opportunity. He's 20 yards out. No run. And the ball going to Tucker. Mark takes it down and he wants to get it up front where Ed Wiseman is, but Brian Pritchard coming on through gives a short intercepting play. Regained by Dixon Stroud. Got the ball at center field, and Timmy Jones